So we are currently working with Aptean to build an AI agent as a recipe optimizer. We have essentially a very large model of data, both of ingredients that we've ever used and every production order that we've ever completed. And we are working to develop an agent that can help minimize the number of iterations that we have to go through, that can help do a better job of estimating the manufacturability of a new product, and that can give us a more accurate cost and a more accurate price quote that we can then give to our customers. So we believe that this agent will not only offload a lot of busy work from people who currently are doing it to the agent, but it will also help us provide better and more accurate quotes. It will help us respond to customer queries significantly faster, and we think in the end, this may even help us improve our time to market.